Sales leaders, are your teams losing deals because they're scrambling for competitive intel or building pitch decks from scratch? Time wasted on redundant work kills momentum, and inconsistent messaging erodes trust. The Sales Enablement Pack fixes this with battle tested tools, customizable battle cards with dynamic variables for objection handling, competitive intel frameworks like SWOT and Porter's Five Forces, ROI calculators for TCO and NPV analysis, and conversion optimized case studies A/B tested for your industry. Whether you're a sales director, enablement specialist, or frontline manager, this pack turns chaos into clarity. Spoiler: your CRM just became your secret weapon. Here's what's inside the Sales Enablement Pack: battle card customization with dynamic variables for real time objection handling, competitive intel frameworks, including SWOT, Porter's Five Forces, and Red Team analysis, ROI calculators with scenario modeling for enterprise deals, a curated case study library with industry specific templates proven to convert, intel tracking dashboards with real time competitor alerts. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your team's new superpower. Installing the Sales Enablement Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add sales-enablement-pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: battle card generators, Intel frameworks, ROI calculators, and case study templates. No manual setup, no clunky integrations. Your next Claude code session auto loads the pack, and your AI assistant now masters competitive positioning, ROI modeling, and objection scripts. Warning: may cause jealousy from your overworked sales ops team. Ready to win more deals? Let's go.